Hello everyone, let's play a quiz of vocab. What I have done is I have written all the words. You take a paper and write your own meaning which comes to your mind as you see the word. So later pause the video, then you watch all the meanings. So it will be helpful. So when you read acme, you write your own word meaning. So what is acme? It is a noun, meaning is the top. Acme is top or highest point. You can mark like this, highest, this is the acme, height. So the next word is acoustic. It is a noun and the meaning is a device, any device which convert electrical signal into voice. Electrical signal into, signal is like this, it converts it into voice. So that is known as acoustic. Third word is acquiescent. For SSC perspective, you can see the ACQUIESCENT. They ask the spellings also. ACQUIESCENT. Acquiescent. Acquiescent meaning is a person who assents or makes no opposition. Means the person who agrees with everything. You can see the new word assent or agrees. So in this word you have learned two words. Next is acquit. Acquit is a verb. The meaning is to release. This is a common news in newspapers. Acquit. He acquitted from jail. To release somebody. To free, to release or to free. Okay, next word is acrid, ACRID. Acrid is an adjective and the meaning is pungent. It is related with smell, very pungent smell, that is acrid. Next one is acrimonious, this acri. So these have same meaning. It is related to behavior. Pungent behavior means the correct bitterness of feeling or language. If somebody is not behaving properly, that it is acrimonious. Bitterness of either it may be feeling or language. Next one is acronym. That you must understand by an example like RAS, IAS, USA. These are the acronyms and they have every single letter has a huge word. Rajasthan Allied Services, Indian Allied Services, United States of America, like that. Next one is actuarial. Actuary, you know about actuary. Somebody who has to do with mathematics. Here, mathematical and statistical techniques. Mathematical or statistical techniques. Next one is actuate. It is a verb. Meaning is to incite somebody to action, to take an action. Or action. You can relate it with activate, actuate, activate, to make somebody take an action. Next one is acumen. A-C-U-M-E-N. Acumen is keen insight or discernment. Acumen. We talk about somebody, he has a keen insight in something. And the other word for this is discernment. D-I-S-C-E-R-N-M-E-N-T. So in this also you learn two words together, discernment and acumen. It is keen insight into something. Next one is adage. You might have heard about adage. Like if I say, adage is proverb, like something, old saying or a proverb. I was trying to remember some example, but it's a proverb. Next one is adamant. Adamant is an adjective. The meaning of adamant is somebody who is very rigid, unyielding. Unyielding. Yielding is same as acquiescent. Y-I-E-L-D, and just opposite is adamant. So we have read some opposites also, adamant and acquiescent. Next one is adle. It is an adjective. Adle meaning is putrid or bad. It is similar to acrid. Acrid and adle are same. Putrid. Here also you learn two words, putrid, adle. This is bad. Okay. Next one is adduce. This is a verb. The meaning is to bring forward in discussion, to cite or quote. To bring forward in discussion, okay. Next one is adept. Never confused with adapt. It is A-D-E-P-T. Noun or adjective. The meaning is completely skilled, an expert. An expert is known as adept. Okay, next one, last is adipose. A-D-I-P-O-S-E. It is a noun or adjective. Meaning is of fat or fatty. Fat. Adipose is fat. You can remember it like some addy guy is very fat and he can't pose. Adipose is fat. So these were the words in this card. Thank you very much.